and it was thus that democracy died. Marcos issued Proclamation 1081, September 22, 1972, backdating it to the 21st, and using its powers, shut down newspapers, radio, television, carried out mass arrests, both of students and workers and of some of his elite rivals. He placed a ban on all strikes. This was the foremost sign of working class unrest. The strike activity from 70 to 72 had exploded. It had become protracted, and from the perspective of the capitalist class, dangerous. And he padlocked the legislature. All power was now concentrated in the hands of Ferdinand Marcos. Within weeks, he had released almost all of his elite opponents. Within months, he had released all but two, Benigno Aquino and Pepe Jokno, who remained in prison for several years, in the case of Aquino, over the course of most of the decade. Martial law's function, I have argued, was fundamentally a social one. Marcos used martial law not simply to shore up his own personal power, but to suppress the unrest that his elite opponents had feared as well. In the first 5 years of the Marcos dictatorship, 60,000 people were arrested for political reasons. 60,000. These are not the elite opponents of Marcos. 60,000. These are not members of the Communist Party. The numbers don't even come close. These are ordinary people. They are workers. They are students. They are peasants. They are the ordinary people who cannot afford to eat and are coming into conflict with the state. It is these who are being rounded up for political reasons. This is the fundamental function of martial law. They are the victims. They are the ones tortured. They are the ones murdered. They were the ones arrested.